What has been your assessment of the deal, the trade deal? We're waiting for the details, of course, but you saw a day of complete relief. I would call it a relief rally more than euphoria in the markets, maybe because, okay, finally, at least, you know, that ice has been broken. Do you think that there are long-term benefits to certain sectors, segments as we open up and this actually flows through, or are you skeptical right now?
See, I'm skeptical only in the sense that you're dealing with a president who's pretty mercurial in Washington. So, for example, tomorrow he invades Iran and he wants Indian support. India refused to do it because it's a regional ally of India. You know, you could say, okay, because they're not my friends, I'm putting the tariffs again. What the Indian government has done, I think, is a good deal. What they did was they tried to strengthen their hands by doing deals with so many other players. So Washington ultimately had to come to the table. It's a good deal, and America remains the big daddy of the world. You know, we need to be, you know, pay obeisance to America, if you will. So I think India played its hand well. They didn't take any taunts that were coming from America in terms of, you know, financing the Russian war or whatever. We maintained a relationship with Russia, maintained a relationship with the EU, and now got a deal signed at a very competitive tariff. So it's a good development. I just hope it lasts. Given Trump's ability to change or pivot on a dime, I'm not very hopeful that, given that what could happen next in Iran or Venezuela, that India would support him. There was a time when, you know, India has a lot of experience, of course, if you remember the non-aligned policy, so to speak. Yeah. But I think we'll now be forced to choose a little bit, at least, to be in the American camp, which perhaps we want to be also, but sometimes it's in our political or geopolitical interests to be non-aligned. So let's see.